Mew Mew, what are you doing? I'm cleaning up the festival crafts we made before. Wow, these crafts bring back wonderful memories of festivals. Right, so many memories. Which festival crafts would you like to make? Mew Mew, what are you doing? Mid-Autumn Festival is coming. Let me think about how to celebrate this festival. How would you like to celebrate the festival? I've got it! On Mid-Autumn Festival, people will get together to appreciate the moon in the evening and eat moon cakes. Wow! Let's make a clay rabbit for Mid-Autumn Festival. Roll the clay into a long strip. Then, cut the clay into pieces. You can use molds to press out the body parts of the clay rabbit. The body parts are ready. Let's put together the clay rabbit. The clay feel like that something is missing. Right. On Halloween, people will dress up and carry jack-o'-lanterns to ask for candies. I've got it! Let's make a jack-o'-lantern together. Remember to cut open the pumpkin. Clean up the pumpkin seeds. I'm going to carve the most beautiful jack-o'-lantern. Put on stickers, and the jack-o'-lantern will be even prettier. Don't forget to make the handle of the jack-o'-lantern. All done! It must be the most beautiful jack-o'-lantern of the night. Mew Mew, please think about what else we need. Kiki, you also need a Halloween cloak. Right, I still need a cool cloak. Come on, let's make a cloak. What materials do we need to make a cloak? Colored paper. Non-woven fabric. Colored paper. Let's make the cloak together. the cloak so it won't come loose. Oh, what seems to be missing? Oh, a nice-looking collar is needed for the cloak. Staple the cloak to make it more reinforced.
The practice of law is
Done! Kiki's fantastic cloak! Trick or treat!
Trick or treat.
Which festival crafts would you like to make? Which Chinese New Year? Mew Mew, what are you doing here? Chinese New Year is coming. I want to decorate my home. Do you know what people put up at home for Chinese New Year? I've got it. The couplets. The couplets for Chinese New Year last year are worn out. Let's make new ones. Kiki, let's write couplets.